Hello friend, welcome to the course of Marketing Management under Unit number 1 Introduction to Marketing. Today we are going to discuss about the customer consumer satisfaction, delight and loyalty. So these are some of the terminologies used in the area of marketing. So we'll understand the meaning of these terminologies. So the customer versus consumer. Many times this question asked in an interview or during an marketing. So what exactly the difference between customer and consumer? Consumer versus customer are interchangeably used in the common context. In simple vocabulary, a consumer is someone who consumes a product. He is an end user of the product. A customer is one who buys or purchases a product. He may or may not be a consumer. So with some of the example, we can understand customer is a prime target in the world of business. But a consumer who consumes or uses the product has the power to unearth a verdict. A consumer decides whether the quality of the product or service has passed the test or not. For an example, father in a family buy a milk for a family. So the father is customer and other family member who consumes a milk are consumer. If father drinks milk, then he is customer as well as consumer. Suppose in an institute, we purchased a computers for students. Institute is a customer and students are the consumer. You had taken the admission to our MBA course, and if your father decides in which institute you have to take an admissions, you are the consumer of this product, and um, the customer may be your father who pays the money for your admissions. Many times in an home there are so many products bought by the main earning member of the family, and the entire family use that products. Toys that is buy by the fathers and used by the childrens. So the customer who pays the money and consumer who uses that product or consumes that product. So consumer is the end user of that product. I hope you understood the difference between customer and consumer. Moving ahead with the next point, that is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is defined as measurement that determines how happy customers are with companies, products, services and capabilities. So after all, customer satisfaction, which is depend on quality, perceived quality by the customer, perceived value and customer expectations. If every marketer we look on these three parameters, that is quality of the product, that is perceived by the customer, what are the overall expectations of the customer from that product, and the value, that is price or value of that product, which leads to an customer satisfactions. If these three aspects are not properly maintained, customer will complaints, and that will affect on customer loyalty. And if these are very well, then customer become loyal of your products. And nowadays, more than satisfaction, ahead with delightness and wow comes. Customer satisfaction, a measurement we use to quantify the degree to which a customer is satisfied with a product or services or experience. It measures how customer feels about brand interaction. There are so many research are happening in customer satisfaction, like customer satisfaction, customer feedback, and these are measured in terms of 5 point or 10 point scales, how you are satisfied in the Likert scale with an highly satisfied to not satisfied. with so many parameters comes under this customer satisfaction that we learn. We understand how this process of customer satisfaction goes. Generally, customer if not satisfied, the issues are reported, and then that goes to investigate why the customer are not satisfied. The company take a corrective action on that. The customer follow-up will be taken. Then company will go with root cause analysis, and then the company, the organization, the marketer will take a preventive action. Then once again they will take a customer follow-up. Then moving with that one, verification on effectiveness, and then once again the customer survey will be done about whether they are satisfied or not. So customer survey that gives you answers to lots of questions related to customer satisfaction, and that I told you so many research happens in this area. Moving ahead, more than satisfaction we can call this a delight. Customer delight is achieved through a wow effect. In marketing 4.0, Philip Kotler has has talked much more on a wow, that is customer delightness, a level of satisfaction that goes beyond expectations. So only not to take care of satisfaction, but you give extra beyond their expectation. That is nothing but the delightness of wow. Suppose you are very hungry and you need a food, so you expect some of the quality food in your dish, and you are very happy what you are expecting within a very less price you got. Um and at the end of your satisfaction, on your counter you get a ice cream cup that is of free of cost on that rice plate. So you will be delighted. So this is beyond an happiness, more than the expectations, that is called delightness. If you expect that you should get for 10,000 rupees spending for a mobile phone, you are expecting that the photo quality or the camera of might be a 20 megapixel or something, or 16 GB handset memory, and within a 10,000 you get a 108 megapixel camera, and you have much more functions that is your beyond expectations. That will be the case of delightness and wow. In terms of market research, a satisfied customer containment lies somewhere between their expectations and desired results. A delighted customer, however, will feel that the desired results have not only been met but also exceeded. Customer delight is all about making your customer feel special. And the next point, that is customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is measure of customers' likeness to do repeat business with company or a brand. It is the results of customer satisfaction, positive customer experiences, and the overall value of a goods or services a customer receives from the businesses. When a customer is loyal to specific brand, they are not easily influenced by availability or pricing. They are willing to pay more as long as they get the same quality product or service they are familiar with and love. So loyalty is important to get a repeat purchase of the product, and that's why the organization plays a good strategies to make a customer loyal. So some of the automobile manufacturer like Hyundai, Maruti has their customer loyalty programs. If you have an earlier Maruti car and once again you want to sell that car and once again you have to move to a Maruti brand, so you will get a loyalty bonus. Even in same case of Hyundai also. So many companies, those if you are a customer of long years of that company, of that brand, some of the schemes that can be offered to you from the company. Even many often the these mobile services provider company, they are doing these kinds of activities to retain the customer. So some loyalty bonus, even these cashback offers, you can say, is for making the customer more loyal towards your brand. Characteristics of a loyal customer: they are not actively searching of different suppliers. Generally, the loyal customer will not easily switch to another brand. They are more willing to refer a brand to their family and friends. So, without any expectations from that brand, they will very easily tell to the family and friends to refer that brand. They are not open to pitches from and competing companies. They are open to other goods or services provided by a particular business. Like you take an example of India in Patanjali or Amul. These are the umbrella brands. One product of Amul. If you know, if you trust the products of Amul, then any product they will launch under the brand of Amul, you have easily trusted on that brand. Even all the products from an Tata comes under this Tata association, and customer will very easily, loyal with one product, definitely will remember the other products also. They are more understanding when issues occur and trust a business to fix them. They offer feedback on how a brand can improve its products or services. So the customer give the feedback to improve the product and services. As long as there is a need, they will keep purchasing from a business. So understanding with these three terminologies with this session: satisfaction, delight, and loyalty. So satisfaction, you did enough to satisfy an expectation. Delight, you went above and beyond satisfy an unexpected desire. And loyalty, you satisfied them so much that they will prefer you over any competitor. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK to get a more updated videos in the subject of marketing.